Alright, first speed. Getting a little drift. Second gear. Can turn pretty smooth. Straighten out. Third gear. Not a big difference between third and second. Fifth. Moving along okay. Let me see how sharp we turn. Heading into dock. Fourth. Still turns just fine. This is the life. Kid holding on to the kayak, which has the motor, so that we get pushed into town. I'm doing all the steering.
So this has your battery in it, right?
Looks like we're doing okay here.
Yes.
Yep.
This has your battery in it?
It has my battery in there. Do not open it and throw water in it.
I wish I had one of those so I could put my phone in it. Then I could listen to music. Although that would disturb the fish. Although if I wasn't fishing, I could read a book while listening to music. Or I could eat while listening to music. That would be good.
There's a beaver dam.
There's like a little V in the sky.
Yeah, there's a beaver dam over there we're headed towards. I bet they stomp their tail and tell us to go away. Okay, whatever that means, but we're making
I need to take a shower.
pretty good here with one little...
My friend splashed water on me.
Yeah? Well, you probably had it coming.
Stick, they dropped it, and the stick basically.
All right,
belly
I'm gonna ditch you into the beaver dam. Here we go. Bye. Oh, you're holding on. Good for you.
Get wrecked. I'm never leaving.
Yeah, there's our beaver dam.
I will break your thing.
One of the beaver dams.
Hello, beaver dam.
Well, it's not a beaver dam. It's a den, because they're not damming anything. They're on a lake.
Aren't they called hutches, or am I?
They might be. I don't know.
Because we had a conversation about this, Riley and I. We were like trying to decide what they were called, and people were like, "Oh, they're called cabins. They're called huts." I'm calling them hutches because that makes sense.
Steering works great. See, works just fine.
Stop.
Oops, fell in the water.
What?
Me. Say ooga booga. Oh, look how nice that.
It's pixely. You're still trying to ditch me, aren't you?